guys, it's your girl Keri, and today I'm so excited because I will be doing my annual Christmas gift exchange with my girl Melanie over at the YouTube channel Living Luxuriously for Less. And typically in the past, when she would travel to Atlanta for work, we would plan it out, get together, have some lunch, go shopping, and then swap our gifts. But this year was a little bit different and also so exciting. Melanie has finally left her full-time corporate job and actually pursued her dream, and she is now walking in her purpose, and she is a full-time event planner. Well, actually, she's not only a full-time event planner, she has moved on to grow her business from not only a full-service event planning business, but she also has a Lux for Less Academy where she does a hands-on class to teach those that are aspiring to make it big in the event planning business. So I am just so happy to see her progression, and I honestly think I am one of the first students that she had in her Lux Academy class before she even launched it, because when I went to her grand opening launch, I went the day before and she had us all there doing all sorts of stuff to get everything together. And I can say she's an awesome businesswoman, an awesome wife, an awesome friend, and an awesome child of God. If you need anybody to pray for you, I don't know if you guys have ever joined in any of her monthly confessions or have read any of her inspirational quotes that she gives us every day on her Instagram. But let me say, if you have been inspired by either of those, can you just imagine what I feel like to have a direct number to her prayer line? She has prayed for me, prayed with me. If I'm not around, if I'm on travels, she will leave a prayer on my voicemail and I will listen. I mean, she can get a prayer through. Wonderful, wonderful person, because everybody that's in your circle is not in your corner. So for this year's gift exchange, what we ended up doing was meeting up on Thanksgiving Day this year. She has family here in Georgia, and that's where she was going to be spending her Thanksgiving. And my family was going to visit some friends for Thanksgiving. So we met at the halfway point and we exchanged gifts and said hello to each other. So first up is this awesome wicker reindeer set. Now this is humongous. It's fairly large, and I remember a couple years back she went into this specialty boutique, and these actually hang from the ceiling, and it just looks like, you know, Santa's sleigh with all of the reindeer. And she said, "Keri, oh my gosh, I see the most fabulous reindeer set that I know you would absolutely love because you love all of the wicker and natural stuff." And so she purchased this that year, and she hung this in her window display at her studio, and I fell in love. I think that was my favorite decor that she had that year. She said, "Keri, I know that you really, really wanted this deer set, and I just wanted to go ahead and gift this to you because I know that it would bring you great joy." And I was ecstatic because several years ago I had some wicker deer. I did a Christmas tour, and my husband said my little wicker deer looked satanic, and I asked you guys on YouTube, did you agree with my husband or did you agree with me? And you all said, "Keri, your decor is nice, but those deer got to go." And I actually named those deer Lux and Couture. Lux was for Living Luxuriously for Less, Melanie, and Couture was for me because at the time I used to always say Dollar Tree Couture. So now I have my new Lux and Couture. So let's move right along and open up these two boxes here. Okay, so here is gift number one. And for the sake of this video, I am not going to try to open the paper really neat. You guys know that I open paper really neat and I save it and reuse it. But I'm going to just open my present like a normal person. Oh! Okay, guys, let me tell you the story behind this. So about 4 or 5 years ago, Melanie did a video on how she stores her entertainment pieces in her entertainment closet. And I saw this in her collection and I said, oh my God, oh, I love that piece. I said, you know what, we should do a collaboration video where we can look through each other's entertainment closets and select the piece that we most like, and then we'll do a video on it, like incorporating it into a tablescape or something like that. And I guess she just didn't want to do that because she did not give me this piece to do that collaboration. And so now that I have my very own version of it, I'm super excited. So let me open it up, take a look at it, see if it was worth waiting 5 years for. Look at that. That's the bottom tray. And this is a pedestal cake stand with a glass dome. Let me open up the top part. I am stoked. I'm just super happy because this is like a unique piece. I love the shape. It is so pretty. And to have my very own version is awesome. And this is the pedestal part. Let me speed this up. So I think on the back, you twist this in. Whoa. Wow. Let me fix the camera. Look at that. This is such a beautiful piece. I cannot wait to use that this holiday season. Okay, let's tackle gift number 2. Look at me just ripping this paper. I feel so bad just ripping the paper. Look at that, it's a matching set. I didn't even know it came with a matching tray. I have the pleasure of having both pieces in a set. Yes, girl, yes. Look at those 2 beautiful pieces. I cannot wait to style these and share these with you. Melanie, you rock. Now, if that wasn't enough, she hit me with another whammy. So we were on the phone the other day and I was telling her how my husband and I were thinking about what I wanted to do for my birthday, my upcoming birthday. And he talked about taking a trip to Peru. Then I saw a commercial for the Biltmore estate in Asheville, North Carolina, and they actually are having a Downton Abbey exhibit there at the Biltmore. And so I immediately knew that's what I wanted to do for my birthday. So I said, honey, I want to go to Asheville, North Carolina, tour the Biltmore, and also see the Downton Abbey exhibit. I said, okay, whatever you want. So the next day I get on the phone and Melanie and I are just talking, and I told her what my plans were for my birthday. She said, Keri, are you serious? She's like, oh my, what day are you going? I was like, wow, what's going on? She's like, I just booked tickets for that 2 days ago, like 2 days ago, literally. And then she texted me all of her, traveling plans there. And just so happens the time that we were trying to go was the day before her and her husband were going to arrive. I was like, I never knew you were really into like the Downton Abbey type of stuff, all of the, elaborate serving pieces and things like that. She's like, yeah. So that's what we're going to do. And then she says to me, did you book all of the, your reservations and tickets and things like that for your trip yet? I was like, no, I actually just told him this morning when I woke up, that's what I wanted to do. And he's supposed to put it all together. She's like, okay, Keri, here's my gift to you. I am going to get your ticket to the Downton Abbey exhibit and also the Christmas Day tour to actually tour the entire Biltmore. That's my gift for you. So that'll be your birthday / Christmas gift with everything combined that I already given you. And then I'm like, oh my gosh, Melanie, I can't accept that gift. You've given me enough. I've got the serving pieces that I've wanted for 5 years now. I got the reindeer that I've wanted for like 3 years now. And now you're going to buy the tickets to the Downton Abbey experience for me? Just too through. I'm speechless. So I'm very, 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 very grateful and excited for my gifts, and I want you guys to make sure you head on over to Melanie's channel, check out what I've got her, and until next time, I'm going to keep calm and carry on. Bye guys.